Let's take a look at factoring the polynomial. When you see the word factor, that simply means you want to answer with parentheses. So we're going to be looking for two parentheses that when we multiply them together using the distributive property, or what you might know as the FOIL method, we get this 7t to the second minus 12t minus 4. So let's take a look. What we need to first look at is the first term. We call that the leading term. So we're asking ourselves, what times itself would give us 7t to the second? Well, this was kind of easy because 7 is a prime number. That's going to have to be 7t times 1t. And I want you to see where I put them in the parentheses, 7t and 1t. You could have easily flip-flopped them. It doesn't matter if the 7t comes first and then the 1t or backwards. Now, then I want you to look at the last number. That's -4. See, I'm taking the minus with it. And I'm asking myself, okay, what two numbers are going to multiply to give me -4? I actually have some options there, don't I? I've got 4 and -1. I've got -4 and +1, or I've got 2 and -2. So I'm going to have to kind of play with this, and I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to put 2 and 2 first, and I'm not sure which one needs the negative, but let me help you see how you can tell. I want you to check the middle. When you multiply these two together, 2 times 1t would give you 2t. And then I want you to multiply these together. 7t times 2 would give you 14t. Now here's the catch. You need these two to add to your -12t. In order for 2t and 14t to add to -12t, that means you need the 14 to be negative. So if the 14 is negative, that means that this 2 must be negative, and this 2 must be positive. And so my final answer here would be 7t plus 2 times t minus 2. If you want to check and make sure it's correct, of course you could multiply, you could distribute. 7t times t would give you 7t to the second. 7t times -2 would give you -14t. 2 times t would give you 2t, and 2 times -2 would give you -4. Of course, you could combine the 2 in the middle. That's going to give you the -12t, and you can see we get the final answer back. So my answer are the two parentheses here. Keep practicing with the factoring. It's the only way to get better at finding those numbers that multiply to give you a given term in the expression, and of course, then looking for where that minus needs to go.